Roger D, sports fans. This is just a quick video just to show you something that you can do to work out the slopes that your electric bike, or any vehicle for that matter, or walking is going up, but I'm doing it in particular for electric vehicles. So this is Google Earth, and you can make paths on it, right, with the little path making tool, the little thing that looks like that. So when you've done that, if you right click on it, and you can do this for journeys and that, like that you've had it show you the route for, you get an elevation profile. So you right click on the line and say show elevation profile. So I've done this journey at the moment on my electrical bike, which is from over yonder. Basically this view here is looking there. You can see the horizon on it a bit better now. So over here, if you can see the mouse cursor there, is Saddleworth sort of way, which is where I live. That's where I've come from, and you can see you go all the way along here, and then I'm heading towards Hyde, basically, in Cheshire, and ultimately a big massive hill called Werneth Low, which is up here, which you might be able to see the mouse cursor. Sorry if it's a bit flaky, but it's it's to show you something you can do. So on the elevation profile, what Google Earth does is highlight where it is on the graph on the map. Now it normally just moves the camera about, but if you've got the full field of view, the full path in the field of view at once, and it shows you the elevation profile for along the route. So I'm pretty much trying to figure out like what the steepest bits are. Now I know you probably won't know where Hyde and shit is, but basically there's quite a climb there, basically. Can you see that moving? That little bit there starts to go up quite steeply. Meant to be able to see it like this and zoom in as if you were up the hillside. And then just as I was going up the hillside, let me see, because it highlights what percentage, like what the grade is. So there we go, 11.3 that says. 11.3, and that's there up on the on the climb up Werneth Low is really steep. That's 11% grade, and the motor was really whinging at me. So the total journey from Saddleworth-ish to fucking Werneth Low is about, so it says on here it says there 8.51 miles, but as you can see from the graph here, it's it starts to go sharply uphill, to the point where you can't go uphill anymore. You can see our Google Earth. So you can just get a great idea of the percentage of the the grade of the hill that you're climbing up with your electric vehicle. So I was pedalling, I was a bit out of breath here and there, and it was definitely straining at that 11% grade. But all in all, I find it it's almost mesmerising to look at along the track that you've come and think that an electric vehicle helps you do that. And normally I see it as quite a distant place where only a car could take you, or your feet if you want to fucking walk for ages. But so it's Google Earth, and you make a path, and then you have it show you the elevation profile, and then if you put the whole of your path in the field of view, you angle it about, then you can just have it show you an arrow that goes off into the distance back towards where it came from, and shows you the position and the elevation and the grade, basically. So I think it's a mint tool, really. I'm well impressed. I like Google Earth. I've always liked that though, but this is a particularly useful tool of it with regard to electrical bikes. So anyway, I'll speak to you in a bit. Peace out.